Every Wednesday, we meet for a live stream called Talkin RV Tech. It's presented by RVtravel.com.
We not only answer technical questions, but we also share what we like to call cool tools. These are tools and gadgets that we actually use. We also believe they will be very helpful to you. Check out one of our latest shares.
All right. So basically, it's whether you're an RV repair tech or just a owner, it's always good to have a good impact gun or even just a drill gun. We've always liked Dewalt. We've always had good success with it. Making sure that not only with your drill gun, there's a lot of different features nowadays. This one's just one of the cheaper ones that they have, but they have ones that are variable speed, adjustable, but it is an impact gun, and we use those quite a bit. On our gun, like I have one in my hand here, on the top of it, it's basically got your low and high, that's push button.
I call that, that's for contractors. One setting is for hourly. That's the slow setting.
That's what it is.
And the other setting is for by the job.
By the job, yeah. And then the other cool things that they do that they didn't used to was like the gun you have, Dave. Like I can push my button here. Where's my picture at? I can push my button. Whoops, can't get my finger on it. And it'll tell me how full my battery is, which, anyways, it'll tell you how full the battery is based off low, medium, high. Same thing on the top. It's all got some kind of a LED light on it to get what strength they're on.
Yeah. Well, you bring up a good point, but that one is like $79.95. That's
it's actually on sale right now, so it's a really good gun.
It's a great gun.
It's lightweight and easy to get underneath cabinets and in tight places.
What I like too is it's short.
It's short. Yeah, that's what I like too.
This one, and in an RV, I can't get this too many places.
Yeah, that's
I use it on the outside. But I have one of those Dewalts.
And this is a 12-volt gun, and it's just as strong as the 20 volts. They got a light on it too, so that way if you're underneath the cabinet, you can see what's going on. Yep. The other thing that's nice too is make sure you're having, a good impact drill bit, and there's different tips. So Phillips or Robinson is usually the two common ones, but an impact bit is a lot better than your standard. That way you're not tearing off the heads up it. So
one thing I want to jump in on that.
Yeah.
If you are going to do it, it doesn't matter whether you're using DeWalt, Rigid, Milwaukee, anybody, right? If you're going to use an impact driver, make sure you get one that is variable like that, because if you don't, you're going to be doing whatever you're doing and you're going to break the heads off of screws.
Yeah.
Either use something that's variable, which is the preferred option. You can use like a regular drill, but they're not going to work as effectively as something like
so. Like yours is probably a clutching. So that's what I was saying. They have a clutching mechanism on some of them. Yeah, that's a limiter, and then
you have to have that, or
when you get used to using it. When you get used to using on the different selectors of it, like I said, there's different low, mediums, and high. When you get used to the low, after you put in so many screws, not to hey, I got to back it off.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
that way you're not embedding something or breaking off a head, like Zach's saying.
And just to add to that, something that's really important, I think, with whether you use an impact or a regular drill style screw gun, know your screws. Number 2 is probably the most common that's out there, but I see a lot of manufacturers that are going with the bigger, ends. So you're gonna have to get a different screwdriver bit on the tip, on the end. This is a number 2 right here. But then there's a whole Torx and the Allens and that type of stuff. So, one of the things that we've got 4 or 5 kits that have almost like 100 different tips, because it seems like every time I work on something, they come up with something totally different. That's a star or a square or
even a security bit. Yeah.
If you are interested in learning more about this cool tool, please see the YouTube description box for more information.
And more importantly, consider joining us live this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin RV Tech.
You can join us on any of the YouTube or Facebook destinations linked below. We hope to see you there.